Esquites are one of Mexico's most addictive street foods, and for great reason. Let me show you how easy they are to make at home. I'm Dr. Ahmed, a physician who developed food allergies in adulthood, and I like to create recipes that everyone can enjoy. We're going to start by preparing the dressing for the esquites. I have 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and I'm using a reduced fat mayo, 1/8 teaspoon ancho chili powder, which adds a really great flavor, but if you absolutely don't have it, you could try a smoked paprika. I have a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3/4 teaspoons lime juice. I'm just gonna mix that together till it's well combined. Traditional Mexican cooking lends itself to most dietary restrictions. In this case, gluten, nut, and soy free. It's more proof that the more we learn about each other, including our food and culture, the more we stand to benefit. Great. Now that we have our dressing prepared, I'm going to set this aside and we're going to start with our fresh ingredients. In my pan, I've put 1 teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to start with half a jalapeno. I'm going to seed it and chop it into small pieces. If you really love spicy, you're welcome to use the whole thing. We're going to go ahead and add all of our ingredients to the pan. Next, I have 2 garlic cloves, which we want minced, and I have my garlic press to make life easier. And of course, our main ingredient. I'm using frozen fire-roasted corn. This is about 9 ounces or 2 cups, but you can use any corn that you like. Next, I'm gonna turn this on to medium heat, and we're gonna cook it till it's just heated and fragrant. Corn, in minimally processed form as we're using, has a lot of health benefits. For one, it's a good source of fiber. And if we break it down, it's about 70% water, 25% carbohydrate, and 4% protein. But it is an incomplete protein, meaning it's missing 2 essential amino acids that our body can't make. So we have to pair it with other foods like beans or dairy to make it a complete protein. The corn is just done. You can hear it sizzling. You can start smelling the freshness of the garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add it to our dressing. Next, I'm just gonna get it nicely coated. This already smells so incredible. That's perfect. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of crumbled queso fresco. You can also use cotija cheese. And we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh cilantro. We're going to give that a mix and it'll be ready to serve. And here's this incredible serving of esquites that I cannot wait to taste. Wow. That is so packed with flavor. You can taste that fire-roasted corn and all of its freshness, and the dressing complements everything so well. I am so grateful for multicultural cuisine. There really is room for everyone at the table. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to joining you next time. And here are these beautiful... And we're going to cook it till it's just free. I don't know when we're gonna cook it. Are we gonna cook it at all? I nailed it. Cut.